All right, I'm going to show you how to make one PDF when you have multiple sheets in your drawing sheet set. Right now I have 5 sheets. I have done an example of the elevations as I did an example video of the elevation, how to get it started. These are obviously not complete, but just to give you a sample on how to make a one sheet PDF when you have multiple sheets in here. So again, you go to the big, after you save this, make sure you have to save it, first, and then go to the big A for Anaheim Angels, go to export and PDF. Now you'll get this window here. This is up at the top, will say, state where you're going to save it in, what file folder. I have that already set up. And then up here is a file name, down here is a file name. So I'm going to go ahead and change that file name to a current date, which is the 17th today. And that's the file I'm going to save. So the next option is look over here at export. If you just want to do the one sheet, you'll leave it on current layout. That will just do the sheet that you have activated, and it will only PDF that one sheet. If you wanted to PDF all the sheets, do the drop down and go all layouts. For the assignment coming up next week, where you'll be doing one PDF on your D sheet of your north-south elevation, you use this setting. You'll first click on north-south elevation before you start this, and then you'll go big A for the Anaheim Angels, drop down, export PDF, and then make sure it says current layout over here at export current layout. Rearrange this here. If you want to put in, this would probably be better to say final project, and I'll put I have my initials in there, and then I'll put right after my initials, if I can get it to go in there, I'll put north N, capital N, capital S, and get a space in there, north south, and I'll put ELV elevations, and that's what I'm going to be sending in. So then after you get that done, I'll just be able to save it. And it generated a PDF, and if I want to check that, I will go to my file folder, to my desktop, to the Tech 1305 class, and it should have the final project north-south elevation PDF right here, and I'll just open that up, and that is one PDF. There's not multiple sheets in here, one PDF, and that's what you want to send. So that's how you do one sheet set if you have multiple sheets in your drawing already set up. So I just want to give you that information. It also tells you how to do multiple sheets if that's a requirement, which will be for your final project submission. You'll be sending in a PDF of all your sheets, one PDF of all 5 sheets, and then you also will be sending in a DWG file. Hopefully that helps. As always, any questions, email me. Thanks so much for listening. Take care.